We all love martial art. So let's make a game about martial art. That was literally the intro. To understand why we even came up with this idea, we have to go back a little bit. Me playing Shadow Fight 2. Wow, that was a really good game, I cannot wait for the sequel. Bruh. It's a nice game, but the microtransaction is me playing Sifu. Wow, that was a really good game, I cannot wait for the sequel. And there's no Sifu 2.
Fine. I'll do it myself.
We started by creating a character. What do you mean you are busy? We started by creating a stickman and exporting him into a new 2D Unity project. After a little bit of coding, my stickman can now walk, sprint, and dash. Now, for this to be a martial art game, we need to make an attack system. We start by making some simple boxing moves because everyone likes boxing, right? And to make it not as boring as just attacking one hit at a time, we made a simple combo system so you can do something like this. But there's a problem. So basically, since I was a kid, I have been fascinated by all the flashy moves like 360 kick, 540 kick, and 930-degree kick. So basically just all spinning kick. But the thing is, I cannot fit all of my favorite moves into one moveset. So how do I fix that? Making more movesets. First, we animated some more animation.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck?
Now, instead of having just one moveset at a time, we made it so that you can alter between 4 movesets mid-battle. So it's kinda like you can change your weapon in God of War. So yep, now you can do some combo between boxing, Muay Thai, Taekwondo, and Kung Fu. But of course we cannot stop there. It's time to make enemies. First, we made some simple animations and forced my programmer to work overtime, so now the enemies can follow the player and stop when it's close enough. But of course it should be not this simple because that can make the game very bad, so we kinda learn a little bit from Sifu. So basically, in Sifu, you won't have to fight everyone at the same time, but they will kinda actually take turns attacking. They will be divided into passive enemy, who will just watch you fight at far distance, and active enemy who will actually attack you. And the one important thing is, the maximum number of active enemy will only be 2 at a time, so the player won't get into a situation like this.
It's supposed to be a fucking RPG! What role am I playing? The fucking victim?
I was so impressed by this system that I just... And it kinda worked perfectly somehow. It's still very simple now, but we will improve it later if we're not too lazy, because for now, we added some attacks for the enemy so we can work on the next thing. Guarding. Similar to Sekiro and Sifu, we need to make the best thing in every action game. Parry. So basically, we just make it so that when you block, you will receive very little damage, like OG fighting game. But if you block at the right moment, you just parry. It doesn't look that epic, but with a little bit of Unity particle system, it now looks way much better. Again, this is just a prototype, so it is super bad. Mostly because we are very bad too, we are still literally using the default background of Unity. Remember when I said the artists were busy? I kinda forced him to work on the background art. If this makes you feel familiar, gosh, I love those scenes so much. And now, some final UI touch so you can see what moveset you are using and the health bar that it designed so poorly. Boom! Now we can sell this unfinished game for $70. I am talking to you, Nintendo. Okay, but joke aside, this game still lacks all the features that I wanted to have, like boss fight, weapon, and most importantly, takedown. So yeah, there will probably be an episode 2. Thank you for watching and Didn't see that coming, did you? Yeah, but like, I appreciate you watching to the last second, so